Okay, this is my dyno graph. Try to get in here. I'm trying to poor lighting, but as you can see, the graph peaks right at 5,300 RPMs and just kind of flat lines out through there. Engine sounds fine. I've tried everything with the programming, but it always peaks right there. I can make the power go down, but timing and everything doesn't make it go up. Air-fuel ratio is running a steady 12.6 and 12.7 straight across, never changes. And over here, you can see that results in 349.6 weather-corrected horsepower, 348 torque, and based off an 80% drivetrain efficiency, that comes out to 441 horsepower and 437 torque. And so I know the torque number's right, but it really should make a good 30 more horsepower than that.